Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about the Docker Compose volume mapping in the Node.js app. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So previously we are learn about the Docker volumes, what are the types of the Docker volumes, and which one is best, that is Docker Run or the Docker Compose. We have already discussed. Now we are going to learn the Docker Compose volume mapping with the Node.js. So basically we have to create a Node.js application over here, and we are going to with the help of the Docker Compose volume, we are going to use it. After that, whatever the changes I'm going to do in my Node.js application on my host machine or the local machine, it will be automatically reflected into your Docker volume, right? So let's see how it's working. So let's get started. So here we have the code. So here we have the Docker file. So make sure we have this Docker file image. So working directory, you need to set user source app packet.json, you need to copy, and this is the rest of the application code, right? So I have installed the nodemon, so make sure you have to configure the nodemon also with the help of the npm start. So that's the reason I have added over here npm run start, right? In the docker compose dot compose docker hyphen compose dot yml file, you have to mention the services build where. So basically I'm adding the dot file because I'm in the current directory, port which port you want to bind, and the volumes, that is user source app. So, okay, so let's save this and let's go to the terminal. Okay, so currently if I go with the docker ps, there is no container image id or nothing. Okay, so let's go and with the help of the docker compose up. Okay, so let me add the docker compose up command over here. Okay, so I'm going to add the docker compose up. Okay, so now you can see that the node.js application is running. Okay, now we have to go and check this one with the help of here. So I'm going to check the localhost 3000. So this is that one. Let's do some of the changes over here. Okay, so here I'm going to add some of the changes. Let's save this and try to run. Here you can see it's reflecting the changes. So whatever, and here you can see it's automatically restarted, right? So with the help of the sudo docker compose up, everything is going fine. Whatever the changes I'm doing, it automatically will volumize, right? So that's very important in the development phase of any of the things. So with the help of this, you can do, you want to deflect the changes as soon as current runtime. So this is the best method that you can use the docker compose up file to do that process. Okay, if you do like currently I have already created the image, right? So in that case it will take the time to do like this stuff. Okay, so this is the first one. When I run the docker compose up, okay, when it is not installed, so it will building like this one. Okay, after doing this that one, then it will automatically start this one. Okay, so this is that one. And if it is something changes not reflecting, so make sure you need to take a build. Okay, docker compose build, make sure the working directory over here. So here working directory should be correct, that is user source app and the volumes one also. Okay, so after that one, that will help you to volumize that node.js application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Next video we are going to learn about the MySQL. We will do the MySQL part. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.